Hey there, awesome explorers. Welcome back to Mr. AI Wonderscape, the place where we explore the cool world of technology. Today, we're going to talk about something super exciting, robots. But wait, how do robots actually work? Let's dive in and find out. First things first, what is a robot? Well, a robot is a machine that can do things on its own. It's like a super helper that can do all sorts of jobs. Some robots can clean your house, while others might explore space or even work in factories. So, how do they do it? Let's break it down. Just like how we have arms, legs, and a brain, robots have parts that help them work too. Let's check them out. Sensors. Think of these like the robot's eyes and ears. Sensors help the robot see and feel what's around it. For example, a robot vacuum uses sensors to know when it's about to hit a wall. Actuators. These are like the robot's muscles. They help the robot move, like making it walk or pick up things. Processor. This is the robot's brain. It helps the robot think, make decisions, and figure out what to do next. Power source. Just like how we need food to stay energized, robots need power to work. Most robots run on electricity, either from batteries or from plugging them into the wall. Now let's talk about movement. How do robots move around? Some robots have wheels, like a toy car, and roll around to get from one place to another. Others have legs to walk, just like we do. These movements are powered by motors, and the robot's brain tells it exactly what to do. So, if a robot needs to walk, its brain sends signals to the motors to make the legs move. How does a robot know what's around it? Well, robots have cameras or special sensors to help them see and understand the world. Take a robot vacuum, for example. It uses sensors to figure out where the walls are so it doesn't crash into them. Robots can also use cameras to recognize objects or even people. But wait, some robots are even smart enough to think on their own. This is called artificial intelligence, or AI. AI helps robots learn from their experiences. For example, if a robot sees a new object, it can figure out what it is and decide what to do with it. It's like giving the robot a super brain that helps it make decisions all by itself. There are so many cool types of robots. Let me show you. Industrial robots. These robots work in factories. They can build cars, weld parts, and move heavy things around. Service robots. These robots help people. They can clean your house, deliver food, or even help doctors in hospitals. Humanoid robots. These robots look like humans. They have arms, legs, and sometimes faces that can smile or frown. Exploration robots. These robots go to places where humans can't, like space or deep under the ocean. They help scientists learn new things. To make a robot do anything, we need to tell it what to do. Programming is like writing a set of instructions for the robot. It's like giving the robot a list of tasks to complete. For example, if you want a robot to clean your room, you program it with the steps to do so, and off it goes. Wow! Can you imagine a future with even more robots? In the future, robots might be able to help in schools, deliver groceries, and even become our friends. Some might even explore space and help us discover new planets. So, that's how robots work. From sensors and motors to brains and AI, robots are pretty amazing, right? Who knows? Maybe one day you'll be the one creating the next robot that changes the world. Thanks for hanging out with us today on Mr. AI Wonderscape.